Hi, I'm Joshua Kola, a senior product designer at Zesty.io, and I'm here today to talk to you about how you can supercharge your file management with our new media experience. Over the last few months, our team at Zesty has been actively working on how you can better manage your files in your instance. We've gone ahead and not only improved the performance of the media app, but we've also added a host of new features for you. All the way from now going ahead and adding in a new all media tab that allows you to see all your files uploaded in one place, to allowing you to now just immediately click on a card and see a preview of what's inside of it, to going ahead and allowing you to immediately make edits on the fly and generate URLs for the same. So you can immediately increase the saturation or add a blur to an image and immediately get a URL with the applied edits. We've also gone ahead and created a new file upload experience that ensures you remember to add alt text for your images. So every time you go ahead and upload an image, you can add an image title, which you can then use for your alt text or captions. In addition to that, we've also added search for files and folders. So now not only can you find files, but you can also find folders. So you can just type in whatever key term you're searching for and then even see the results with respect to the folder names. In addition to that, now you can also move files to different folders after uploading. So if you need to reorganize your workspace, you can now do so with our new Move File feature. Now we've added a ton of new features in, and I'm extremely excited to give you a quick demo of the same. And I'm going to now move into our Zesty instance, which we've created for this demo called Recipe Mania. I'm inside the Recipe Mania instance and I'm on the Media app, as you can see in the left navigation bar. And I'm going to get started by creating a new folder. To create a new folder, I'm going to come to the left navigation bar out here and I'm going to click on the plus button next to the word folders. Once I click on that, I'm going to create a folder and I'm going to call it authors. I'll click on create and now I've created a folder called authors, and inside of this folder, when I click on it, you'll see there are no files. Let's assume I want to upload a few files inside of this folder. So I'll click on the upload button, and once I click on the upload button, I can simply go to my file explorer on my computer and I can select the authors folder out here, and I can select all the images of our authors immediately, and you'll see it'll start to upload. And now once these images have uploaded, I can even add some alt text for the same. For example, I can say this is a photo of a girl with flowers on her head. I can say this is a photo of a man wearing a blue t-shirt. And I can say this is a photo of a lady wearing sunglasses. I can also go ahead and rename these images. So let's say instead, if I want to call this maybe, let's say Gloria, I can even rename this image immediately. I can then go ahead and click on done. Once I go ahead and click on done, now I've gone ahead and uploaded new images to my folder. In addition to this, I can go ahead and create a new folder. Let's say I want to create a new folder. So I'll just go ahead and click on the plus button next to the word folders. I'll say I want the parent folder bit to be none. And I'll say this is going to be called brand. I'll click on create. And now instead of the brand folder, I may want to add subfolders. Maybe I want to have a subfolder for fonts. I may want to have a subfolder for our logos. Now, once I've gone ahead and completed this, what I may want to go ahead and do is I may want to go ahead and upload some fonts to this folder. So I'll just go ahead and click on upload. I'll come to my brand folder. I'll select all the fonts I wish to upload. Just give it a second to upload. You can see all my files have uploaded. I'll click on done. I can then also go ahead and upload my logos. So I can just come to brand, I can go to logos out here on my computer, and I can select the 4 logos I wish to upload. I can click on done again. Now all these files I've just uploaded to my Zesty instance can be seen from the all media tab. So every file I've uploaded so far can be seen from here. Let's say I want to go ahead and edit one of these images. Maybe I want to select Paul the cat. Okay. Once I select Paul the cat, I can go ahead and rename this file by simply clicking on these 3 dots, selecting rename. I may want to say the file name should maybe be, let's say, Paul the cat. I can update it. In addition to that, I can change the title, which can be used for alt text and captions. I can say this is a yellow cat on a bed staring at the camera. Now let's assume one of the developers in our team immediately needs an unsaturated version of this image, basically a black and white version of this image. What we can go ahead and do is we can click on the launch the on-the-fly editor, and we can immediately reduce the saturation of this image. And now we can see we have a black and white version of this. And I can copy this new URL with the applied edits and send this over to the developer. And when they get this link, they will get an image which is in black and white. This ensures that you do not need to go ahead and make a brand new copy. You can just use the same URL and just add additional parameters to it using our on-the-fly editor. In addition to this, I can go ahead and click on done. You will see as soon as I click on done, the edits are removed because we only temporarily add parameters to the URL in the on-the-fly editor. In addition to that, what you can also do from all media is you can search. So if I want, I can search for cat. I can see all the cat so it comes up. If I want to search for brand, I can search for brand. The brand folder comes up. So that's a quick rundown of the new media experience. In addition to that, the media experience can also be used from within the content tab. For example, let's say I was editing the content for the home page. Let's say I want to upload an image. I can just go ahead and click on the plus button for adding a main image to our home page. And from here, I can select any image I want for the home page per se, or I can even upload a brand new image. So let's assume I want to upload a brand new image. Maybe I want to go ahead and select some food. I can select a food item out here. I can allow it to get uploaded, click on done, and then just simply select it. And now this image has been added into content. So that's a rundown of the brand new media application within Zesty. I'm extremely excited to see how y'all will use it. And if y'all have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the Zesty support team or put your comments on the YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.